Hello guys, this is Germán again, another Just My Review, and well, as you guys can see, this is my shop and what's going on. Well guys, stay tuned because I'm gonna explain you guys a little bit what is going on in my shop and new stuff I'm getting into the shop. And take a look at these babies. I got a embroidery machine and some other goodies back there. Well guys, I'm gonna keep you guys updated of the process. I'm basically remodeling this room, and well, let's go and see what's going on. Alright guys, well, as you guys can see, I'm getting a new stuff, the stuff I just showed you guys, and I got this embroidery machine. I'm gonna start doing DGT and DTF stuff also in my company. Back there somewhere behind that, I got basically the pre-treatment machine. Got the stands right here. Basically this is the shear rack I have to cut and put it inside the room. And well, like I show you guys, my GTX Pro, and basically this is what you guys see in the wall. This is basically the InsoFast. What I'm doing this, well, as you guys know, I live in a real cold state on winter, and this room basically is at the garage level. It's not underground. Right there is my backyard, but these walls are not insulated. And well, what I got here is this product I find out on YouTube, basically another YouTuber, and I see the wonders of this guy. You guys wondering what is this black stuff right here? Well, this is basically this is simulating the 2x4s, and I'm telling you guys, this stuff is real amazing. I'm not gonna tell you too much because basically it's a ton of videos there. I just put on a screw right here. I'm gonna put a screw in some areas, basically assuming just the 4 panels I'm gonna install. I'm gonna just to reinforce, but this stuff just need a commercial grade glue in order to stick this right here. Basically just that's the only screw I got so far. As you guys see, this is basically glue it. This is the color of the glue right there when it's done, but basically this thing is not going nowhere. If you want, you can add these kind of screws. I'm gonna put the links down below for these guys if you guys wanna get it. Also, I'm gonna put the links of these guys right here because honestly, this is if you are a DIY like me, well, this is easy stuff. Basically, it take me, you can do this in a few hours, but you know, I gotta work during the day and come back home and do this stuff, and you know, I have to cut little by little in order to, you know, basically 2-3 hours doing this, cutting myself, and you know, I got not enough room right here to do this. But the main goal is insulate all this, basically all this area right here. I already have it done. I'm not gonna change this patio door for those winterproof, because this patio door is around 18 years old, something like that, and it's not weatherproof. As you guys see, I got the plastic right there. But the thing I'm going to do, I'm gonna get as you guys see is right here some kind of a frame. I'm gonna frame this with a 2x4. I'm gonna do a molding right here, some frame, something like this. And when the winter comes, you see this area right there, this frame, I'm gonna get one of those 2.5 inches insulations walls, and I'm gonna build something that I can just push in and put some kind of a removable tape right here, and I'm gonna make this area winter proof, cold weather proof for the winter. Right now I see the difference with this in the room. Believe it or not, well, today is April 25th, 27, I'm sorry, and it's not supposed to be this cold, but it's still cold, and the temperature right here is very good. Let me let me show you right here. I got 67 and is 67 because I got basically the garage door is not insulated and the cold is coming in. I got the furnaces running in the back in that room, and but you know, right here basically this room is very cold. Right now I can see the difference. I gotta install basically the shear rack in here, painted. In order to get all these, I have to add those connectors for the new machines, basically for my new brother, and the pre-treatment. And also I forgot to show you guys, I got also this nice press from Stolz. I got that beautiful press right there. Everything's packed, everything's like, you know, I received that 15 days ago and still there because everything is under construction right now, but I'm almost done. Basically I just put this few minutes ago and it's already hard. I just gonna cut this, gonna put some screws right here just to reinforce. You guys see I make a hole. That's the nice thing of this, guys. You see you got these channels right here, you can nail it just for extra security. You know, I like glue and everything, but the thing is, glue supposed to last years and years and years, but honestly I don't know how it's gonna be in 15-20 years. Probably not gonna be here, I don't know. But I like to build things that last forever if it's possible. And if you guys see right here, with these screws right there, these guys gonna stay for longer, that's for sure. And this kind of plastic is some kind of chemical reaction that when it's friction, the heat of this guy getting into here basically weld this with the plastic, and it's not gonna, that's one of the nice things, it's not gonna come out. Then I can secure these panels using these guys right here, and basically, well, I already give some insulation right here. As you guys see, take a look right here. This is my basically the cement wall right here, and this is basically the thick is 2 inches. You can get bigger ones. And I put this just to make sure don't get any air entrance or whatever. But as you guys can, I can hear the the foam expanding, still expanding. And you know, I put it inside the little cracks and everything. And I'm gonna proceed to install this. And well, guys, that's what I want to show you today. What I'm doing right now. The next video, you guys will see how everything looks like my new shop. Thanks God, I'm doing an investment. Basically I got some savings to buy those machines. I still paying that machine, but well, like maybe a 10 days I gotta be trained with the other stuff and everything. And well, basically that's it. If you guys want to use this, for example, if you guys got a cold room or something like that, let me show you right here. This is the channel that is going in here. This is the black thing you guys see right there, just here right here. This is the leftovers I got. I don't want to waste a panel in that area. This is an area that you know, I can put a screw right there and make it strong. But basically you put the glue in these channels right here and you stick it against the wall, and this one is gonna stay forever. Okay, well guys, that's it for today. This is let me show you this, I'm sorry. This is basically the panels right here. This is the panels right here, and I'm gonna put the links down below, guys. Well, you know, I gotta respond a lot of you guys about the different things. I'm gonna do also a few follow-ups on the Honda Ridgeline and in the Ford Escape. That those are one of the biggest views I got. Give me a little chance. I'm gonna finish this and I'm gonna show you guys. This is something that I want to let you guys know how is everything going, and the reason why I stopped making videos so far, because I've been real busy, as you guys see. I want to thank everybody for the comments in other videos, and for the support and everything, and the different companies that are supporting me. And well guys, that's it for today. Thank you very much, and see you guys in another Just My Review when we have this room completely done and finished, and I'm gonna show you how this small shop is going to change. All right guys, God bless you all, take it easy, and bye bye.